We all aspire to be better parents. To be better parents is one of the goal or one of the wish every parent has. So, but how can we do it? That's the question, and everybody has their own answers. We have to actually discover those answers. That's the parenting journey, and this is what is important to discover at every moment of interaction with the child. So because something which will work for you will not work for me, and something which works for me doesn't work for you. But commonly there are few practices. Needless to say, these practices are going to help us in all possible ways. So I will give you two tools here: the gratitude journal and a worry diary. Once we maintain this, believe me, things become easier and faster and better and in our aspiring controls. If you will see positive psychology research, everything says that gratitude is actually a very strong emotion, a strong gesture associated with happiness. It actually generates happiness, and gratitude actually helps people feel more positive emotion. They are into relishing good experiences, they improve their health, they can deal adversity, they can build in strong relationships. And simply we can start with it, like being grateful for one thing in one day, and using breathing while experiencing the graciousness and the gratitude list when we see what all we have, and updating it time and again. This will have a gratitude journey. And here we can start with small things like not being picky, appreciating everything, finding gratitude in our challenges, practicing mindfulness, keeping a gratitude journal, volunteering in programs which can help others, expressing ourselves, spending time with loved ones. And this happiness, which when get improves, it actually affects all areas of our life. And we can occasionally write this. This can be called a journaling, a daily journaling. Many of the people practice, and it's a good way to actually write it, scribble it. Whatever comes in our mind can be written. And the second can be a worry diary. Whatever bothers us can be written. And once it is written, this is the other tool, apart from the gratitude journal, the worry diary. What we can do is we can really see realistically how big the problem is, how small the problem is, and actually without being affected, go in a process of solution. Like what can we do about it? And with a peaceful mind and a calmer mind, when we write it, when we share with others, it becomes really possible to see things, how to resolve the problem. Or it is not a problem, actually an opportunity for us to grow and learn. And in the worry diary, it's actually a ventilation, a venting technique. So why it works? Because human beings are emotion-driven machines, emotion-driven humans. So we are all in impact of emotions. And our thoughts, moods, feelings, emotions have a huge impact on us. And why we are talking about this? Because these thoughts, moods, feelings and emotions give our actions, and our actions give our results. Source which is important is working on our thoughts, moods and emotions, and being an emotionally a strengthened person. It will come with practice, mindfulness, and these are two tools which will help you: the worry diary and the gratitude journal.